No, 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 shit. Yeah. Oh my. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. Yo, no. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm out. I'm wrecked out. Goodbye, bro. Yeah. Oh, that ain't supposed to happen. Caution's out. How does this happen? Oh, come on, turn 4 and oh shit, his car is that scene. Yeah. And he wrecked the cars. Jesus. Well, there goes the splitters and their dreams. What the hell happened here? Let's see. Oh man, Anderson! Oh, oh man, poor that boy's 18 years old. He's also involved. Jesus. Where's Creed? Well, Craig's out. So who's the idiot back there? That idiot right there. No Drake. And that's how they start wrecking. This is the final stage, and the caution came out with a big. This is gonna be a big cleanup, unfortunately. Oh, oh, I'm down. Done. Damn, this is not good. Front end damage, suspension. You idiot! Oh. Well, seems legit. I'm out. From the other angle. Go.
Oh, one that's walking the street. He came by there and spoke to me this evening. That's the first time I've seen him in a long time.
What, did he ask for money?